Girl, I can't lie.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Every single video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tommy. For those of you who do not know how to say my name, no, it is not Tomai and it's not Tommy. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this, I don't know what to call this eyeshadow look. It's pink, it's gold. I used my Jackie Aina palette. If you're interested to see how I got this look, stay tuned. That was so corny. Gosh, like every time I turn on the camera, I'm so shocked by how I look without makeup because these dark eye circles are just not it. My goodness, I just realized I was not recording the first half of my eyeshadow look, so I sincerely apologize. Basically, what you missed out on, I went in with this color over here, ginger, and I put that on the outer lid of my eye, as you can barely see. Now I'm going in with the color Supreme, and I'm putting this in the crease of my eye. Now that my makeup, I believe, is all done, I'm going to set my face using my Maybelline setting spray. You're going to need a lot of that, honey, because you done caked your face. Okay, guys, this is the finished look. I will give you a little close-up in the next clip. Okay guys, this is it for the video. Thanks for staying if you managed to watch the entire video, because I don't know how you managed. I don't know how you managed to watch the entire thing, but you did. So applause to you. Hopefully stay tuned for my next makeup tutorial. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Boom.